Delivery dates is an advanced feature that makes your shipping predictable and informative to your customers. By displaying estimated delivery dates right next to shipping methods at the checkout, you can subscribe to the delivery dates feature from our internal marketplace in your Calcurates account. Once the feature is activated, there will be an additional box of settings for your shipping options and methods. Here you can specify delivery interval, minimum and maximum days in transit, or a specific number of days if you fill in only one value. Days or dates when orders will not be dispatched. For example, weekends and holidays. Cutoff time when you stop dispatching orders for the same-day delivery. Days or dates when orders will not be delivered. For example, weekends and holidays. Delivery dates for the table rates shipping option can be specified on two levels, method and rate. The latter will have priority as it is more specific. If none is specified on the rates level, then the method's delivery date settings will be used. Similarly to table rates, the delivery dates feature will add its tab for each carrier service. For the carrier service, you have two options. Option number 1 allows you to display the delivery date estimate that you get from your carrier together with the shipping rate. You can specify the number of days that will be added to the carrier's delivery date. This setting can be used if you need additional time for order processing. You can also specify the time when you stop dispatching orders same day. Option number 2 allows you to configure custom delivery dates for the carrier service using all those settings we've seen before. In the module config, you may control the format of delivery dates displayed at checkout next to your shipping methods. With the delivery dates feature, you can also set up and display available delivery days and time in drop-downs at the checkout. It will allow your customers to pick the convenient time for delivery or in-store pickup and make your shipping even more predictable. To create a new slot, click the Add Day and Time Slot button on the grid. For every new slot, you can specify the day, time interval as well as name and description for internal use. The day can be also added without any time interval and considered as a full day. Also, you can apply flexible surcharges to this particular day and time slot. There are multiple surcharge algorithms available. The surcharge amount will be displayed right next to the day or time slot in the drop-down and will be added to the shipping cost at the checkout stage. You can display certain delivery days and time slots only if certain conditions are met. Use shipping segments to configure those conditions. To activate dates and time picker at checkout, check the toggle in the method's delivery dates setting. Set up the number of days to pick from. Your time in transit and non-delivery days affect specific days that will be displayed in the picker. Select specific days and time slots that you've configured earlier. They will be available for the selection for this particular method in the picker. There are several settings available for dates and time slots picker. Dates and time slots can be sorted in the picker from the earliest to the latest or from the cheapest to the most expensive. You may sum up surcharges of intersecting days. For example, the next day surcharge can be summed up with weekend surcharges. You can make your delivery dates and time slots fields required or optional at the checkout. Let's look at an example. The delivery dates feature from Calcurates allows you to manage estimated delivery dates, set up time slots, and apply surcharges. Those settings are assigned to a certain shipping method and displayed at the checkout. That makes your shipping methods predictable for your customers and increases conversion rates. Calcurates, the key element of cost-effective shipping. Stay tuned.